So children, the last topic of today's class is your bloodless revolution, or what we called it as Bhudan and Gramdan. Actually, this was started by Vinoba Bhave, who was the pioneer of this movement and a great follower of Gandhiji. Gandhiji declared Vinoba Bhave as his spiritual higher and participated in various satyagraha movement. He was participated in various satyagraha movement and a great follower of Gandhiji. Satya और अहिंसा के पुजारी विनोबा भावे, he undertook Padyatra to spread Gandhiji's messages to the entire country. Some poor landless villagers, they demanded some land for their economic well-being. When he was delivering a lecture at Pochampally in Andhra Pradesh, एक बार आंध्र प्रदेश में जब वो अपने स्पीच को डिलीवर कर रहे थे, उन स्पीच में उनको गांधी जी के सत्य अहिंसा और उनको मार्गदर्शक के रूप में लोगों के सामने प्रस्तुत करना होता था, तो उन्होंने किया। और एक बार जब वो पोचम्पल्ली आंध्र प्रदेश का एक जगह है, वहाँ पे जब वो अपनी स्पीच को डिलीवर कर रहे थे, वो गांधी जी के संदेश को दे रहे थे, तो वहाँ पे कुछ गांव वालों ने उनके सामने डिमांड रखी, और वो डिमांड थी कि उनके पास ज़मीन नहीं है कि वो अपनी खेती करके अपने परिवार का गुजारा कर सके, क्योंकि ज़मींदारों के पास उस वक्त खेती हुआ, उनके खेत को रखा जाता था, या उनके खेत का जो कंट्रोल था वो उस टाइम पीरियड में किसके हाथों में था? द ज़मींदार्स एट दैट टाइम. So the landlords, you can say. When Shri Ramachandra Reddy, he stood up and offered the 80 acres of the land, and he distributed among the 80 families, you can say 80 families of the village, and 80 families of that village. This was a major, you can say, the incident took at that point कि एक लैंडलॉर्ड थे जिनका नाम था श्री रामचंद्र रेड्डी, वो खड़े हुए और उन्होंने 80 एकड़ भूमि को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया among the 80 families, or you can say among the 80 families who were landless, actually, and this was known as Bhudan. It means दान किसका? भूमि का. So it was called as the Bhudan. ये इतना ज़्यादा प्रशंसनीय था, इतना ज़्यादा सराहनीय था कि इसको देखकर कई ज़मींदारों ने अपनी भूमि को, अपनी ज़मीनों को ही नहीं बल्कि गाँव को भी दान देना शुरू किया. They offered Bhudan, some zamindars, the owners of many villages, they offered to distribute some villages among the landless laborers. It was known as Gramdan. So this Bhudan Gramdan movement was initiated by Vinoba Bhave, is also known as bloodless revolution. 1 marks का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, who pioneered bloodless movement and why it is called as, अगर इसी को हम 3 marks में convert कर दें तो why do we called as bloodless revolution? Fine children. So this is all about the today's class. In today's class we have usually gone through with the 4 questions, actually 5 questions. One question is related with the agriculture practices which are retained even today in India. The second is about the conditions of the farmers the why do we have conditions. The second question is related with the productivity. Why do we raise the productivity in India, crop productivity in India? Then next question is related with why do we need some reforms in agriculture sector in India. Then explain the institutional and technological reform initiated by the government of India. And the last one is called as breadless revolution. So this is all about the today's class. And next class mein we are dealing on more and more questions based on the agriculture, like condition of the farmers, like the contribution of agriculture in the GDP or employment generating issues, इस और फूड सिक्योरिटी पे हम बात करेंगे. So this is all about the next this is all about for the next class now. Till then children take care and watch the video. ठीक है, अगर आपको देखने में कोई दिक्कत होती है तो बेटा there is no any such issue of the writing on the board. आप लोगों को मैंने notes provide किया है. You can go through with that notes. Fine children, till then bye.